Welcome viewers to Carding Mill Valley and the Long Mynd circular walk in Shropshire. The trail we chose is about 10 kilometers circular with a link in the description below. This route begins at the National Trust Carding Mill Valley Car Park, where there is a pay and display. A tea room, gift shop and toilets are located at the Carding Valley. The area around the Carding Mill Valley is designated as an area of outstanding natural beauty, and the Long Mynd is an important place for wildlife. The walk covers a variety of terrains. This includes a rugged route up a steep incline to the top of the hill, then over heather-covered hills with stunning views of the Shropshire Hills. There are paths for walking, cycling and horse riding. You can even drive to the top of the hill to take in the views. We would like to take this opportunity to thank Uplifting Travel for arranging this hike. More details in the description below. At the end of the walk we had lunch with some friends. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.